What's up, guys? Welcome to the GT Lawn Care. Today, me and my grandpa are fixing our lawnmowers. So my lawnmower has we're doing oil change on it, but not today because we don't have the oil. But we will have it tomorrow. So my grandpa is just getting the grass off it. So you can see what there. So it looks a little more. So he's gonna work on my mower. I'm gonna work on his mower. So yeah. So here is a belt route. This belt route helps the deck. Like, so if it's going forward or backwards, the deck goes up so it doesn't hit rocks and stuff. So my grandpa's just doing what he's doing right now. So
put this in the wastebasket.
okay.
Not with your boots on, dude. Just stick it in that box.
Okay.
That box and put it in there.
There we go, guys.
Okay, let's get the blades off it.
Okay.
I gotta jack it up first. Hang on.
Take the blades off
Get your
this.
gloves, Trey. Get your gloves.
Okay.
Let's go get the jack. We're gonna do it right here. We need that piece of cardboard and the jack. Come on.
Okay. I'll be back, guys.